In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this line art. This is how the mesh looks like, and I have only used an extruded curve point with a few modifiers to create the mesh. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and I have used a sphere to block all external lights. The meshes are all originated from one mesh, and they were duplicated, scaled, and rotated. By adding different materials, we can achieve an illusion of having unique models in the scene. This was the base curve object, and I'll show you how this object was created shortly. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. Type A to select all. Right-click and type S to subdivide it 20 times like this. Let's add an array modifier. We need one more extruded curve point. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A as in alpha to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's go back to the original curve, and add a curve modifier. I'll subdivide the original curve. Once we convert it to mesh, all modifiers are going to be applied. The idea is to select some vertices, and proportionally rotate them like this. Try to make a unique shape that will give an illusion of being a different mesh when it gets duplicated and rotated. Let's convert it back to curve, and add some bevel values. Add a random colored emission material to the mesh. duplicate, scale, and rotate. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.